here's my old hammer drill. The hammer function doesn't work very good, so I'm gonna use it as like a bench top motor where I can put these, or like the SanderFlex wheels and stuff like that on. I got this deal right here off of Amazon, and what it does is clamp. The sides of my workbenches are too thick. It would be okay if you have, you know, something that's with the thickness of a 2x4, but this is a 2x4 on the side plus the plywood. So I kind of had to make this little deal, which is all right because it sets it up just a little bit higher. And I have a hole right there, and that's so because of this mechanism right here. When you twist that, it tightens this and kind of makes that jaw clamp right here on top of that. And then there's the screw, and it makes this it's like a pipe clamp, kind of tighten really tight down, and there's nice grips. I mean, this is very, 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 very solid. And so yeah, I'm gonna try it out. So what I did was also put a zip tie around this. It's holding the trigger down. I can still adjust the speed. I have the hammer turned off since it doesn't work, and I don't need it in this application anyway. Still gotta get this dude mounted up here, kind of like I have my other ones, like with my jigsaw there. That'll turn on my light and everything all in the push one button. And with this, we'll push the button. That's pretty handy. You got to try to worry about putting the zip tie on and off the trigger. This is a reusable zip tie anyway, so in case I need to take it off for some reason. But yeah, pretty impressed with this little setup, because I couldn't find any type of bench motor like this that would adapt to any of these type of drill bits. Basically is what they are. Tried all different types of things like that, and they don't work on this. And I have another one too, and they don't work on it. But